Hello everyone. Today I will show you how the session works and how we can use it in our projects. I will explain this more easily. Let's create a page called home.php and give it some style. Now let's create a new page and name it index.php. On this page, we start a new PHP session. A session is started with the session.start functions, and set a session variable. And imagine that we called it username. Echo this variable on this page. Let's check it and you can see this result. In order to get this username with session and put it on the home page where I have written username. Right here. We must write the session start function because our code doesn't work without this function. And we call our session here. Let's check and find out what happened. And here it is. We refresh our page and see the same result. Let's do some cool things. We create a session with the browser using HTML form. Firstly, we put a link to our home page for easily going to create a session page, and I called this link with the same name. Let's go to the index page to write some codes. We need a form to take the username with input. Firstly, we put here the home link and the next to create the form. We delete this from here, we don't need this anymore, and let's check it and find out what happened. Okay, go to the home page. Great. And let's check it again, write another name. It does work. We refresh and you'll see the same result. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.